clear the space for something big today. So in an hour or two, you'll see something monstrous come through that gate and park here. Our first one ever.
Oh my goodness.
Fucking hell, well.
Oh my god, I almost died! No! I almost died! That was so scary, thank you!
It's okay, it's alright.
The F500 is finally here. That is fucking load shedding. Got Anna busy putting the battery in the F500. Got some fuel. Busy running some fuel hose here to the fuel pump that we've changed. Let's see what happens. Alright, F500 attempt at starting. Number 1. Fuel pump connected. Fuel lines run.
Okay.
New wiring. Wait, it's not pumping fuel. So that's not good. Right, you can stop filming now. Obviously she slid in the rain. So that's not a good sign.
It looks like it.
There's spark there. So
Yeah.
did you get shocked?
Right.
Got that out.
So there's spark there, hey?
There's
I found
spark.
spark for you. The sparky got spark.
But let's start the car back on.
Wait now, you've taken this piece of wire off and this needs to go on.
Yeah, but the piece of wire was never on there, bro. It was just loose.
No, it wasn't. It goes there like that there. It holds the cap on. Like that. quick, bro. I'm telling you, it just needs to crank that stuff out the
But
thing.
if it's not sparking, what starts?
It's sparking. It just shocked you and I saw spark on the point.
If it,
When you spark on the points with no coil,
sparks there, but it's not going through the cap to the strip to the plugs.
but it's got nothing to do with the coil. He hates it when I tell him what to do with it. Why are you not cranking?
Or your plug number one's lead is not even on. So.
Oh my, you did that?
Did I?
Yes.
Of course I did. Just check for spark again, please.
Just crank it first.
If it doesn't have spark, it's not going to start.
I know. But
We
it,
know. But
I
why
know
we
that
still-
it starts.
Why are we still doing it if we know that?
I'm going to do a lot of editing on this video. This is a lot of back chat. Excuse me, Brittany. Yeah, it sucks when I'm right, I know. I hate it too. Go. It's definitely water because when I pump the cable, the water comes out of the carb here. Okay, let's try again. Start it for me, let's get it idling. Let's get it idling. I think we got all the water out the system now. Because now when I pump it, I don't see water anymore.
What did you say at the back?
No, it's just awesome. She's running.
Yeah.
It's good. She had some water in the car. I think I managed to push it out there.